Hello, not going to keep you long today. Nice short video. I've got some leftover chicken. Going to make a chicken mayo salad. Welcome back to How to Cook Way. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Really quite simple. So that chicken is chicken left over from a kind of roast chicken I had. So I've just chopped that up. We've got 2 cups there. Couple of teaspoons of mustard. I'm using a Dijon mustard, but you could use a yellow one if you want. And then we've got half a cup bell peppers, pickle, mayonnaise, onion. Is that a tablespoon maybe of parsley or some other fresh herb? And then 2 to 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Really simply, let's get that in a bowl, mix it up. Fantastic. So mixing bowl, chicken is in. Got my pickles here, cut all nice and small. My bell pepper, using red. I'll think about putting something else in. You can put some cucumber in here, tomatoes, celery, some olives, anything goes, doesn't it? Chopped onion, the Parmesan cheese, a little bit of fresh parsley or some other herb, a little bit of mustard in the mix, mayonnaise. Now, I'm not going to put any salt into this because I find the cheese and the mayo salty enough, but I am going to give it a little pinch or 2 of black pepper. We're going to give that a mix. Job done. So that's it, job done, really nice and easy. Now play around with it. I don't like my salad swimming in mayo. You might want to add some more mayo if you want, or some other type of vegetables or something like that. But yeah, fantastic. Pop that in a jacket potato. Just serve that as a salad. Stick it in a sandwich. Stick it on some toast. Do what you bloody like with it. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.